What is going on? I am back again with another one, and today I have a Jordan 1 for you guys, and it is the women's release Starfish. Now the reason I went for these is purely because of the colorway. I mean, you have this traditional Hermes style colorway on this, and it just looks very expensive. It looks like a designer piece, you know, like it almost looks like it's a collab with like Hermes. And I think it's just crazy, man. I mean, it's still sitting on a sneakers app for some reason. I'm not sure why people didn't go for these. It was an easy cop. I'm not gonna lie. I actually entered a ruffle where I took an L, but on the sneakers app, I just hit a W. Just look at this, all right? Just look at this. Look at the colorway. Look at the materials, man. The materials are just crazy. It feels so expensive. The leather is so soft. I mean, everywhere you touch, you have this very soft leather. You know, like everything feels very well made. Every panel that you touch, just it's hard to explain. It's honestly very hard to explain. But I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Now, another thing that I love about these are the midsoles. All right, I mean, the midsoles are this sail color that matches the tongue, that matches the extra pair of laces that you get. I mean, the sail really adds to these, and everything just goes so well together. The brown, the orange, the white, the sail. It's very well made. The quality is there. So these actually come with a few extras. One being this hang tag. You also get this leather keychain, which I fucking love. You have this Jumpman on one side, and you have a basketball on the other. It's always nice to see something like this included in sneakers, because we have been seeing less and less recently with especially the taxis. They didn't even give us an extra pair of laces, and on here, man, you get the laces, you get the hang tag, and you get a keychain as well. I mean, I can see this shoe. If it wasn't a GR release, this would have been sold out instantly. The resale value would be like $1,000 or $2,000 at the moment. But hey, I mean, it's better for me, you know, like I get to wear these. It's not every day that you get a W with Jordan 1s, but lately, yeah, man, lately I've been getting very lucky with the releases because of the sneaker market, obviously. So here are the laces. These are sail laces, and these just match the midsoles. I will throw on the sail laces for you guys so you can see which one looks better, the orange or the sails. So the sock liner, I don't really feel it. You know, I don't like it, to be honest with you, because it's made from this sock-like fabric. And I'm telling you now, once you get this dirty, it's gonna be really, really difficult to clean these. I wish they would have went with the same sock liner that they had for the taxis or the heritage. I mean, my only problem with these really are the sock liners and nothing else. So anyways, guys, let's carry on with the on feet. Now on feet, again, these are Jordan 1s. I keep telling you guys the same thing over and over again, but these are Jordan 1s. They're not going to be the most comfortable sneakers in the world, but they're not trying to be. For some people, these are very comfortable. For others, not so. And some actually hate wearing Jordan 1s. I'm not sure why, man. I mean, these are alright. I can't wear these all day, right? These are not an all-day sneaker for me. But running errands, going out for a bit, you know, these are just perfect. I mean, these are just ideal for that. And, you know, obviously being a Jordan 1 retro high OG, it's going to turn some heads. I'm telling you now, it's going to turn some heads, especially in this sort of colorway. I just think these are beautiful, man. I mean, just looking at it now, no regret in copping these at all. I would love to find out what you guys think about these. Did you go for them? If not, you know, why not? Is it because it's a women's release that you guys sort of stay away from these? Because I don't care. I don't give a f. If it comes in my size, I'm copping, bro. I don't care, man. Honestly. And I think you guys shouldn't either, you know. If I like it, I like it. And you know, it is what it is. I will wear it. It just looks expensive, you know. You just look at it and you think, oh, these are expensive. So anyways, guys, because it is a thing and we have to do it, we can't skip this video without a crease test. So here it is. You know, watching these back, obviously it does hurt a little bit. So I mean, as you can see, these are perfectly fine. These will hold up. These will hold up quite well when it comes to creasing. And I'm not sure why that is, because some Jordan ones do tend to crease a little bit quicker than others. But maybe it has something to do with the type of leather that they use, because this one is some quality shit. I'm telling you now, man. I mean, it's soft, it's nice, it's quality, it's premium leather. Obviously, I'm not a leather expert, but just touching it and feeling it, I can tell you, man. I can tell you, it does feel nice. It does feel premium. I mean, look at the tongue. It looks aged. It's sail. It's not white. It's not black. It just looks so nice. It matches the midsoles. Ah, man, look at this, bro. I mean, I'm telling you guys, you're gonna miss out. And when they do sell out, you're gonna regret it. But anyways, guys, that's it for today. That's it with this video. If you have any questions, do let me know below. And I will see you bitches on the next one.